Hi Kylie.
Good morning, Nita. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
That's good.
To be honest, after doing some research about organizations in the community that draw me into Mental Health Foundation Australia, because I discovered that the missions of the MHFA align with my own values and missions, that we value mental health and well-being and also inclusive culturally practice that support the community in the whole, and also the opportunity to be working with the multidisciplinary team. So that was something that drew me into MHFA and apply for my internship opportunity. I would say Mental Health Foundation Australia has helped me to strengthen my understanding about community and social work in general. With collaborations in social work and community work plays a very important role to support people with special needs. And based on my knowledge and understanding, I got to say a lot of social issues always have something to relate with mental health issues, and help me to understand about the complex needs that people are facing and how to support them appropriately and professionally. I have gained some unexpected knowledge and skills during this placement period. First of all is community engagement, and also at the same time I have learned to professionally work under the framework of professional setting, and also research skills. I have been doing a lot of research in terms of looking for services that are available in regional areas that would meet the client needs. At the same time, I have adopted a lot of communication styles to meet and to work effectively with clients from different cultural backgrounds. Throughout my experiences at the Mental Health Foundation Australia, I have faced a couple of challenges. The most important one that I have learned and also found a way to overcome my challenges is navigating pathways to support clients with complex needs that sometimes when we don't have, like when our organization got limited resources to support clients with complex needs, but also at the same time I got very supportive supervisor who always give me guidance on how to professionally support clients while making referrals that meet their needs. In my understandings and experiences during my placement, I would say this had helped me to confirm my goal in my future career is to pursue a career in advocacy for mental health and well-being for the community, at the same time to promote inclusive cultural practices. Leading toward to the Mental Health Month, the team Live Experience Lead the Ways had helped me to understand that we really value the live experience that people have went through, and we value the authenticity and empathetically to effectively help people with mental health challenges.
Thank you so much for sharing your perspective and for being here, taking your time to share your views and your journey with the Mental Health Foundation. We are sure that the viewers will get some perspective and understand how they can get involved with the Mental Health Foundation.
Thank you for having me here today, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my experiences that I have learned throughout my placement at the Mental Health Foundation Australia, which had taught me a lot in mental health and also in the community practices. Thank you.